unplanned downtime costs manufacturers an average of $260,000 per hour, rising to $2 million per hour in automotive. Fortune Global 500 companies lose $1.4 trillion annually to unplanned downtime. That's 11% of total revenues. AI predictive maintenance delivers 30 to 50% reductions in unplanned downtime and averages 200% ROI across deployed use cases. But only 26% of manufacturers can scale AI beyond pilot. Here's how to make sure your plant is in that 26%. Manufacturing AI splits into 5 distinct categories, and the wrong choice will not solve your primary constraints. 1. Predictive maintenance. Augury is the enterprise gold standard for rotating equipment. Factory AI deploys in 14 days using existing sensors. 2. Computer vision quality control. Landing AI cuts defect escape rates by 80 to 90% and pays for itself quickly. 3. Connected workforce. Tulip digitizes paper processes with no-code tools that operators build themselves. For production planning, Rockwell Plex embeds AI scheduling. 5. Supply chain AI O9 Solutions delivers faster planning for complex chains. Match the category to your most expensive failure mode, not just the feature list. Augury delivers diagnostic accuracy for rotating equipment with a human expert layer that validates every alert. Colgate-Palmolive saved 2.8 million tubes of toothpaste by avoiding a single machine failure. Achieving massive ROI, Siemens unveiled new industrial co-pilots in 2026. Over 120,000 engineers now use them to speed up PLC code generation. The consistent finding is that data readiness and IT/OT integration determine outcomes more than platform capability. Buying a Level 4 AI platform for a Level 1 data maturity plant is how projects fail. The honest path: digitize the shop floor, unify the data, then layer on predictive AI. OSHA General Duty Clause applies to every AI system influencing safety-critical decisions like lockout. The EU AI Act classifies safety-critical manufacturing AI as high risk, requiring full documentation by August 2026. Primary loss is equipment downtime. Use Factory AI or Augury, still on paper. Start with Tulip. Pilot on 5 to 10 of your highest value assets. Prove ROI within 1 quarter, and then expand. 64% of organizations report positive ROI within 12 months. The median payback period is just 8 months. Like and subscribe to AI Buzz for more manufacturing guides. Full tool comparison linked in the description.